Hello, I am at Frontier Garden Center, one of the places I like to check out frequently here in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. As you can see, they have a lot of outdoor plants and some starter veggie plants, and they do have house plants inside also. But I'm looking for hanging baskets. I haven't had much luck finding the one that I want to get, so hopefully I can find it here. Let's go see. I love peonies. They're so pretty. These are $10.99. Their prices here are not bad at all. Ornamental grass. Lots of outdoor plants. These are so cute. Lots of starter vegetables. Lots and lots of veggies. Let's go in and see what they have. Their hanging baskets are not badly priced at all. $12.99. I think I am gonna get some of these. Some of these Gerber daisies. Ooh, I like those. I'm gonna have to get some of these. So pretty. Only $12.99, not bad. Raspberry, $8.69. I like that blue one. Let's go see what houseplants they've gotten in since the last time I was here.
$12.99. Yep. Yes, they sure do.
They always have a 30% off. Always. Just a little tip. Ooh, this one's got a mix. That got snuck in there. That's cute. $8.99 plus 30% off. So it's not badly priced at all. The ones that say sale price on it, that means that's the price. So this one would be $23. It's not an additional 30% off. And ZZ plants, $12.99 plus 30% off. So it's I like their prices here a lot. Peace lily, beautiful peace lily. I like peace lilies. $18.99 plus 30% off. Plus 30% off. These are bigger ZZ plants. 30 plus 30% off. So this would be $21. So that is not bad at all. And they look really, really good. That one is $45 plus 30% off. I kind of like how it's mixed and matched. It's so cute. I love these rickrack cactus. They are so long. I love it. $90, which I think is worth it because they take forever to grow that big. And these cute little things, $2.99, so cute. Ooh, this one is so pretty. I'm gonna get this. That is so cute. Getting that. I have a thing for cute little plants. $5. Strength pearls. Air plants. Snake plants. Like I said, it's a small shop, but I always enjoy looking. They always try to get new inventory in quite often. Love that. And they're really, really nice here too. I really try to support the small local shops as often as I can. I do like to give them my business. This is Frontier Garden Center here in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. I do like to come in here and check out what they have every so often. I'm gonna finish looking around. I'm gonna grab a couple of the hanging baskets too. My beautiful finds for today, I got a couple of these Peperomias. I forget what they're called, but I had one last fall and it had scales, yeah, and I just decided not to mess with it and I threw it away. But they are fast growers, so I'm excited that I found a couple of starter ones. And then these are so lush and beautiful, and they were only $13 each. They are gonna go on my porch. So yeah, Frontier Garden Center is where I got these beauties. Thank you for watching. Look at those. They're so pretty. I finally found a couple of hanging baskets that didn't cost like $30 or $40. I don't know. And I think they're just as beautiful as the other ones that I've seen, and only $13. I do have to get a few, some flowers. I don't know what I'm gonna use yet to put on my patio pots that I'm gonna fill up for the summer. So haven't quite decided what I'm gonna do for that one yet, so I'm still gonna look until something sparks my fancy. But thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this little Iowa tour. I'm always showing you guys other places, so I thought, why not show you Iowa where I'm from? There's actually a lot of nice places to go to here in Iowa. All right, okay, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Let me know where you're from, and if you have your favorite garden center. Who knows, maybe I'll be going over there for a road trip, because I do like to go on road trips and I love to check out other garden centers. So let me know. All right, see ya.